Everyone, it's Robin from Robin's Resin Plus. I am talking today about this wonderful aromatherapy inhaler patch. What I like about it is it stays on for a very long time and only you smell it. Nobody else can smell it. When you open it up, it has a backing on it, which I pulled off so you can't see it, but it's a silver backing, and this is the adhesive. And on the front, and it comes with this little plastic that you can put it back on here when you're not using it. And the advantage of it is right here, you put 1 or 2 drops of essential oil, because this is blank. And then you can put it right here, and it will stay all day. You won't even know it's there, except you'll smell the aroma of whatever essential oil you put on. You can even put a CO2 on it. So it will smell wonderful to you and nobody else will smell it. The advantage of it is that at the end of the day, you can take it off. And you can also put it on your skin because it is hyperallergenic, so it's not going to hurt your skin. But you can take it off, and then the following day, you can actually put it back on, and it will stay. It will not come off. So it just stays there. So you get about 2 weeks worth of use on it. The only time it doesn't stay on a shirt if it's woolly. But as long as it's not woolly, I have to actually peel it off. So it will stay. And it's great. I use it for my hospice clients. I use it for my regular clients. And when I go to teach, I put some rosemary on it because rosemary is great for memory. And I put it here. And then I'm focused on whatever I'm trying to concentrate on for a workshop. So I'm selling it in batches of 5. So you can buy 5 of them or you can buy 10 of them. And they're on my website. So have a good day. Check it out. You'll see how it looks. I have pictures up there. And purchase it. Thank you. Bye-bye.